morning. Happy Tuesday. Instead of a taste test Tuesday, I have an ice cream Tuesday. They got a new box. Isn't that cute? And this is what's in the box. I'm curious what this thing is. And then they give you a little card that tells you what everything is. So I'm gonna open this one first because I'm curious what it is. Oh, it's totally all plastic wrapped. Oh. Plastic wrapped, and then it has a lid. Oh, it's makeup sponges shaped like a star. Isn't that cute? Itty bitty makeup sponges that would go good like under your eyes. Wondered what it was. I couldn't tell. Let's see. Base blue snowflake wedge blenders, $11. That is really cute. Looks like a star to me, but I guess it's supposed to be a snowflake. All right, let's see what this one is. The Wonder something. I don't know. It's not on the list. Or if it is on the list, I'm not recognizing it. Everything's wrapped up in plastic today. I don't really care for that. It's just killing the environment, wrapping everything up in plastic. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this must be on here somewhere. Looks like it's a lipstick, a brownish lipstick, which I know I probably won't wear, so this may go in a giveaway. Base Blue is the brand. Base Blue IVF Collection Lipstick, $21. This just isn't, I'm not going to swatch it because it's just not my color. Yeah, I'd look too all brown, I wouldn't wear it. So, we'll put it back in its little case and stick it back in here. And one of y'all can have it in one of my giveaways, which I've got a couple of them coming up, so. Come on, get in there. There we go. $21 for a lipstick. That seems a little excessive to me, especially I don't really, not a real gloss lip aficionado. Okay, what's this one? So Susan. This one looks like a barrel lipstick, which is more my thing. Where do you open it? Nope, not a lipstick. It is Skin Splash, whatever that is. So Susan Spectra, oh, it's a primer, $26. So it's like a little sample size, but $26 for this, it must be some good stuff. I'll have to try it. I don't use primer like I should. Wonder if you can use it eyes or skin. It says luminescing pore camouflage primer. All right. I don't have huge pores. I just have age spots, which I have to camouflage. All right. Okay, this looks like some kind of palette. Now these I appreciate being in plastic. I know I shouldn't, but these I appreciate being in plastic because it keeps them from becoming broken. So this one is Peppermint Poncho, Ruby May. Peppermint Mocha. Oh, it's Mocha. I don't know where I got Poncho out of that. It says Beautiful. Mocha, candy cane, chai spice, eggnog, cranberry, gingerbread, green apple, peppermint. So it's all like Christmassy flavors. Ooh, there we go. I don't know about this one. May or may not keep this one. It doesn't seem like, I don't wear greens much, and it's got some greens in it. This one may go in a giveaway. I don't know. I haven't decided. Let's see what this last thing is. It also looks like a palette. That's one thing I like about Eyescream is you always get at least one eyeshadow palette. Palette. Glowing palette, it says. Oh, that's, I like the, let's see, how do you get this open? Well, this is wrapped and wrapped and wrapped again. Bella Pierre, which I've heard is very good, glowing palette. Oh, it's not eyeshadow. It's got some kind of plastic over it that doesn't want to come off. Oh, there it goes. It's kind of stuck on in the center. Oh, there we go. It is like blush and bronzer and stuff, but it's all like got sparkles in it. Let's see, Bella Pierre glowing palette, $50. Whew. And see, if you look close, you can see they're all got like little sparklies in them. And I guess it's bronzer and highlighter and blush, or is it for eyes? You never know. I think it's, I can't read this. It's just got the ingredients, so that doesn't tell me nothing. I don't know. Palette Illuminatrix, it says. So, this is not an eyeshadow palette, I don't think. I think it's a face palette. So we got this, and this eyeshadow palette, and this primer, this lip gloss, and all these makeup sponges shaped like a star. And this is, I think, is this the one? I think it just went up to $35. It was $30, but you know, shipping costs and going through the roof, and just product costs are going through the roof, I'm sure, because all our costs are going through the roof. So inflation gotta get you one way or the other. So some of these I will probably give away. Probably maybe these, because I have a bunch of sponges. Definitely this one. And then I don't know about those two palettes. I haven't decided. But it's really a nice box. Just not really up my alley this time. Not my color family or whatever. But I really like Eyescream. I like it much better than BoxyCharm, because you get all makeup and not skincare. But I like everything in it. I just not sure how much of it I'll keep. Some of it I don't really need right now, so I may give some of it away to you all. I have a giveaway coming up on Christmas Day and another one in mid-January. And if I ever get to 600 subscribers, I'm about halfway. I'm at 540 something. So about halfway. So when I get to 600, I'll have a big giveaway. So if you enjoy unboxings, I do clothing, makeup, obviously, makeup unboxings, clothing unboxings. I do Mask Mondays. I do Fun Facts Fridays. Sometimes I do Taste Test Tuesdays. Sometimes I'll do shout outs. Do a little bit of everything. Got something on my tongue. Anyway, I hope you're ready for Christmas and that your Christmas will be wonderful with you and your family. My thing started to fall over. I bought this. I don't know what is wrong with it. I bought a tripod and it just doesn't work right. It's never worked right. So it's my second one and this one doesn't work right either. So I don't know. I just not having a time with tripods, and they've got a place for a ring light and a place to put my phone, but as you can see, whoop, it doesn't want to stay up. It's got two places for the phone, and the one that's in the ring light, it's like that, so it's sideways. So it doesn't work. And so then farther down on the stick part, there's another place to put my phone, which is where it is right now, but it makes it top heavy and it wants to tip over. So I'm holding it up right now. So I'm a cheapskate, so I buy the cheaper ones, but I guess you get what you pay for, because I've been having a heck of a time with these tripods I've been buying. But you gotta have something to pop your phone up on. Anyway, love y'all, and if you haven't subscribed, please do. We always do a lot of giveaways on this channel. You gotta be subscribed to get the giveaways. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.